Here is a Dēlonghi Penguino portable air conditioner. This is a brand new one. No videos out about this, but I'm making one right now for you guys. Here's the new remote it comes with, and here's the power on. Here we go. And that is on high. Here's one, slow. Here's two. And here's three. Also has a cool oscillating feature. You press and hold the button, the oscillating wall revener here we go. This thing is slowly oscillating. I'm going to turn that off now. And here's the cool thing about this fan, air conditioner, is that I love the pipe, how it goes in. Like this will get really, really hot soon, and it's going to blow out all the cold air. Hot air. It got really, really hot earlier when it was on. Yeah, but that is the Dēlonghi Penguino UV Care Light air conditioner. See you guys in the next video. Take a look at that motor. Oh, here we go. That's the refrigerant exiting the pipe inside of here. They're not too loud, which is very good because we like. This is actually a suitcase air conditioner because it has, unlike most air conditioners, wheels. Turn your camera upside down so you can see the wheels. But this air conditioner is probably one of the best air conditioners out there. Oh, here's the refrigerant. I can feel the cool air from the refrigerant. Alright, let's go into my room so we can take a look at the LG air conditioner. Not out yet either.